Are you tired of constantly running out of data while using WhatsApp? Do you want to chat, send pictures, and make video calls without worrying about data consumption? Then stay tuned because we have a game-changing solution for you. In fact, this video is perfect for all MTN subscribers who want to make the most of their WhatsApp experience without spending a fortune on data just for WhatsApp. Then, this guide is tailor-made for you. But before we begin, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting mobile tips and tricks. Now let's get started.
Yeah, hi, good day. This is Jubitech and welcome to my channel. Pardon me for my voice, I'm having a little difficulty, but I'll try to speak. Yeah. So it's a quick one. What you need to do is this is not any hack, okay? It is a code from MTN that gives you WhatsApp bundle 50 MB every time you do it. So you can accumulate as many as you want. But one thing you should notice that this bundle expires within 24 hours, okay? Yeah, so if you don't want it to expire every day, you do one to roll over the previous one, okay? So let me show you how to check for it before I activate it. There is only WhatsApp bundle, okay? You cannot use it to do anything apart from WhatsApp. So if you want to check for it, star 567 star 1 star 6 hash. You see, I don't have any bundle. Now let's activate it and see. Activation is star 567. This is it. 111 star 2 hash. Then you buy. The least is 0.07. Then you press any amount. I will choose 1, okay? Then you select buy from airtime. You can choose buy from Momo. Then I'm done. Now let's go and check. Let's go and check star 567. You see, WhatsApp 50. If I want to get 100, I'll do it again. If I want to get 150, I'll do it again. You can even do and get 2 gig, 10 gig. But what you should note is that this bundle will last for 24 hours. So if you don't want it to expire, the next day you do just one. So if let's say you have 500 MB WhatsApp bundle, the next day you do one on it, becomes what, 550 WhatsApp bundle, okay? So anytime you do it every day, it rolls over, it doesn't get expired. So let me do another one for you to see. You have 50 now. Alright, now let's go and check. I'm done. I have 100. When I do it again, I have 150. See, so as many as you can, just do it. You're going to get the WhatsApp bundle, plenty WhatsApp bundle, okay? I'm done. Let's check. So I've done it 3 times. You see, 150. Now this WhatsApp bundle can be used only on WhatsApp. Okay, so it works. Go to WhatsApp, send message, and see if it will not take. See, it's working. Alright, so it's working. See, so that is that for now. We have a 30 days unlimited browsing. Okay, I'm not going to put it on YouTube, but if you're interested, contact me, let me show you. Okay, we have a 30 days unlimited browsing for Vodafone and MTN. Okay, both iPhone and Android. So if you're interested, let me know so that I help you out. Okay, it's a server, yeah, very powerful server. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share, okay, and hit the like button. Yeah, so hit the like button, subscribe, and share to others. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, the name is Joby Tech. Till I catch you next time, stay blessed.